And as I teased just a few minutes ago, Cheetos Bolitas. Yeah, these are probably my favorite. They're very puffy. Have a good chew, and again, these have been sitting around for a while. What happens, they lose their crunch. They become more chewy. And these are spicier than those. Again, they're cheese balls. Spicy, more spicy. Very delicious. I don't know who makes the best cheese balls in America. Nostalgia would say Planters. But there's your stats. All the stuff that's in it. Interestingly enough. Oh, there's the Mexican. Cebada means barley. But there you go. Paprika. Yeah, wow. Yeah, man, there's a lot of chemicals in this. Sounds better in Spanish, though, doesn't it? Ácido fumarico. La cinta de soya. Mineral casa de sus lacas. Dióxido de silico. Silicon dioxide. Anyway, there's what the Mexican authorities suggest, and that's what the Americans suggest. Total fat 10 grams. 5 grams. Is it 100 grams? Yeah, just about 100 grams. But this has 5 grams per serving. So 15, 16.5. Don't know how those mix compare. Anyway, very good. My favorite so far. A little bit spicier. Love the texture, the mouthfeel. Highly recommend. Cheetos, bring them to America. Please.